بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
قل أعوذ برب الفلق.
Say you, O beloved, I take refuge in the one who is the creator of the daybreak,
من شر ما خلق.
from the evil of his entire creation,
ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب.
and from the evil of the darkness of the night when it sets in,
ومن شر النفاثات في العقد.
and from the evil of those female magicians who blow on to knots,
ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد.
and from the evil of the envier when he envies me.
صدق الله العظيم.